Hey guys, this is Juan here, and in this video I wanted to show you how I upload a new video to YouTube and optimize it using TubeBuddy. Now the first thing that I do obviously is keyword research, and if you want to see how I do keyword research, then go watch this video. But in this video I'm going to show you how I uploaded last week's video and optimized it using TubeBuddy. So after I have my keyword, I will go to a tool called SEO Studio, and SEO Studio is a premium feature. It's on the Pro plan of TubeBuddy, and I insert a keyword, and what it does, it helps me optimize my title, my description, my tags, my thumbnail, everything, so the video is discoverable and is easy to find. And it does so by showing you some suggestions about how to improve your SEO. You see that you have this SEO score on the right and some suggestions about what to do, and it also highlights your keyword in the form of exact match as well as long tail keywords. Okay, so it suggests you do an exact match. So in this instance it's how to install TubeBuddy, and you see that if I write how to install TubeBuddy, it highlights it more strongly than if I were to separate the entire keyword or keyword phrase. So you can see in here I wrote part of the keyword, and it's not an exact match, so it's not as highlighted as the exact match. And it's important to give variations, not only include the exact match, because this might be considered as spam by YouTube. So include exact match of your keywords as well as part match. Okay. And by the way, if you want to get a Pro or Star or Legend plan of TubeBuddy and get a 20% off, you can use my coupon code OENBuddy in the checkout page. Okay, OENBuddy. Just click the link in the description and enter OENBuddy as a promo code, and it will give you a 20% off any plan of TubeBuddy. So let's wait until I finish writing this up. If you want, you can skip ahead. Just look that all the suggestions are completed and try to bring up your SEO score to 100. And you can see that right now I'm writing hashtags. So hashtags helps you get discovered, and you can see in many videos you will find hashtags under the video. So the way you do that is by adding it to the description. Next, in the tag section, you will see that TubeBuddy suggests tags depending on your keyword, and it's important to judge what tags you're adding. Okay, don't just add everything. Make sure that it makes sense. So like how to install TubeBuddy on Android doesn't make sense for that video, so I didn't add it. But add as many tags as you can and make sure they make sense for your video. So try to reach up to 500 characters. This is what YouTube allows. And again, try to complete all the suggestions. Next, you got the thumbnail tab. So what I do is I upload the thumbnail, and this helps you see how your title, your description, and thumbnail look on search results. So you can compare yourself with others on search results and see if you look good, if you need to improve. And on the last tab, you can save it as a draft or apply it to an existing video. So I saved that, and now I'm gonna upload the video. Click upload, and make sure your keyword is also in the file name. Okay, So you can see how to install TubeBuddy on YouTube is on my file name. And what I'm going to do now is apply the optimization that I just did with SEO Studio. And it will fill everything up for me, so I don't have to write the title, description, and tags again. And I know everything is SEO optimized. Add it to a playlist. This is also important for SEO. Just everything that we can do to help YouTube understand what our video is about will help it get discovered. Next, I need to add end screen and cards, so I'm gonna skip ahead until it's uploaded and then add the end screens, the cards, and these things help my viewers stay longer on my channel and watch more videos from me. And this is an important factor for YouTube, how much watch time you get, and the more watch time you get, the more YouTube is gonna promote you. So try to make it relevant for your users. In the card section, I recommend you add cards either at the end of the video when viewers are about to click out of your video, or if you have something that you're saying in the video, like go watch this video or something like that, and you want to point them out to that video. And in the last section, we are going to schedule that video for later. So in this way, you can schedule many videos. If you want to stay consistent, you can bunch up your videos, maybe film them all in one day and schedule them for a week, a month, however long you want. And then you're free to do other stuff. You don't have to worry about it. So this is a great feature by YouTube. Schedule it. Awesome. And on the editing page, you can see that TubeBuddy suggests some best practices you can do for your video, which is also helpful to optimize your video for more success, more engagement, more discoverability. And later on, you can also do what is called a launch platform and see if you have any broken links or any more suggestions. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And if it was, then give me a thumbs up and share it. This really helps me out and helps it reach more people. If you want to see more videos from me, then subscribe to the channel and make sure you click on that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos that I release. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below. And I will see you on the next video.